Shake my tins. Shake, 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 shaky, 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 shaky. Phoebe's too old for this. Most families live in houses, but we live in a double-decker bus.
We're a family of 7, living life a little differently.
This is 7 in a bus.
We converted this old double-decker bus into our family home on wheels back in 2023.
From breakdowns to building a new home.
To school runs and nappies and everyday life.
We travel, we learn, and we figure it out as we go.
Some days are hard.
Some days are incredible.
And not everything goes to plan.
But it's all part of the journey.
If you love real life, real family, and real adventure,
You're in the right place.
welcome back to the videos. We're back in the Purple Turd, and we're very motivated at the minute. We've done a lot in here, around this corner, that we've not shown you. I've just not been in the right headspace for YouTube. Done a few updates on Facebook, but we are ready to share with you what we've done in there. And then this weekend, which we're filming, we're going to have the full roof put in. Carpeted. We've got acoustic paneling for the middle. We'll see how we get on. Everyone's getting ready. Edie's just coming in with Nicole. Luna's here. We're just tidying up, having a good clean before we start getting carpet out and measuring. So let's get into it. So Summer's got the cleaning caddy out. What are you going to do?
Clean.
What did you just tell me off camera?
I'm like a specialist at cleaning.
She's a specialist at cleaning. So this should be gleaming. So these are the side walls we've put in. All the way down the back of the bus. You're helping, aren't you? Obviously side walls all the way down here. And then the back wall is starting to come together with its pods. So let's get cleaning, ready so we can put some carpet in this bleeding thing. Go, 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 go!
We've just measured the carpet. That was interesting. We didn't film it and we should have done. But we've just measured it. It's the length of the bus and it's a tiny bit short width-wise. But it's stretched carpet, so we're hoping that it's going to stretch just enough. If not, there might be...
I think the original plan was there to cut it in the middle and leave like a gap, but it'd be easier to do it in one piece, won't it, and pull it.
So what we're going to do is going to take all of that internal walls down, start at this end, and see how far it gets us, I think.
Start gluing.
Start gluing, yeah.
We've also brought high temperature glue up to 150 degrees.
120.
120 degrees, so it's
If
proper
it gets
stuff.
120 degrees in here, then I think we will be cooked.
Tell me the reason we're not going to get cooked.
Well, we're not going to get cooked because we have got aircon.
So Dometic have very kindly stepped in and sent us 2 aircon units. So there'll be an individual video for that, but they are here, and I've seen these working at the NEC under bench.
Yeah.
And it was warm in there and it was blowing cold. So I'm so excited and thankful to Dometic.
Definitely, yeah.
Like-
it's not very warm outside
And I'm dripping.
and it's warm in here.
Yeah.
Really warm in here.
So yeah, that's to come. So let's get these walls down and see how we get on. So we've got the carpet up, it does fit. Yes. This is brilliant. So we're just going to start at the front here, at the top, and work our way down to the first main wall, which is the staircase, which I need to unscrew, because I screwed that in, so in case the kids fell, the wall didn't go with them. So let's see how we get on. High temperature spray goes here, we'll get some of that out. I was hoping it goes alright. I've never carpeted before, so this will be interesting. Nicole's down there. The baby's just trying to get her to sleep because she's can't zoom in. She's sleepy. So get her to sleep and we can crack on. I think we'll have this done this evening. But he's halfway down. So let's see. Shake my tins. Shake, 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 shaky, 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 shaky. Phoebe's too old for this. So this is Nicole climbing underneath. Lift that up for you, babe. Here you go.
Thank you.
So we've found dids. Obviously, I'm going to get gluey hands. So Nicole's going to go on the inside with clean hands and make sure that it's not creased and it's lining up. And I'll do the gluing this side. While the kids are here for assistance.
Hello.
Edie's now asleep. So we're having a nightmare. The ends of the carpet aren't square, which we now realise. So it is laid out on the floor in the yard. It's the only place we can do it. I'm not paying for loads of tarpaulins. It's on the side that will be adjoining to the roof. We're going to cut it in half because we just can't get it to go right along the bus. So 104, the coat's just going to cut. I'm going to roughly measure. We have got a bit of clay in it. Yeah. There? Yeah.
So now we're just cutting the fabric in half, so then it's easier to like manage because it's not as big then and as heavy.
We've noticed that both ends aren't square, which is not helping with the fitting. So we are slowly getting there with a bit of trim left on the left hand side. I'm going to cut this off so we don't need it. It comes to here, the board that we've got, so this is like excess. So I'll just treat that like excess and cut that off with the Stanley knife. We've got all that still to do. But it's getting there. Slowly but surely. So we're about half an hour in now. We're past the first skylight with no major lumps or bumps. I've still got enough on the trim there to be able to slice it. I had to do a couple of bendy bits here to get it back on track, but the acoustic board sits in much further, so I can clean that up. I'm going to try and leave this loose so I can tidy around the skylight. Well, there are we, Pops. And we're through just under 2 cans. It's got 4 more to get down there, so it should just be enough glue to do the whole bus. Obviously, then we'll glue this side across. Arms are knackered. Let's keep going. So it's the next morning. We're in. We worked into the night last night. Took us 3 hours to get from one end of the bush to the other. The second half was definitely quicker, but it looks right, and the wool's gone back in. So it's looking nice and tight. Let me show you. So obviously this middle bit's going to be covered over. I had to make a few slits to be able to bring it in enough to bring it, obviously you can see when it starts going tight again, to bring it back out, but it's all the way down. So I never fitted straight carpet before. I'm quite happy with myself. You can see a few ridges where the roof joins, but it's nothing critical. Oh! And obviously all the way up to there. We had just enough to make it work. So I'll start putting this wall back in and get the beds in that side. So we're about halfway down now, this side of the bus. We've got the walls back in here as well. I've not filmed it because I've got my t-shirt on because it's really warm in it. Off, got my t-shirt off and no one wants to see that. But it's coming in. But next job is, obviously I've dislodged that wall so I can get across, but this wall I bolted into the floor. So if anyone fell, it had something to hold them. So I need to undo this panel and possibly that panel, take the screws out, and then I'll be able to slide it across and then continue across. This bit of fabric's a bit bigger. I've got more of a lip there. Definitely going to look easier this side, so I cannot complain. We'll keep going. What's your thoughts on stretch carpet, Nicole, on this half that you've helped with?
Yeah, I can see why people don't like using it.
I hate it. We've got a nice finish on the roof line though. So obviously, you might be wondering why we put down the middle. I think I might have mentioned earlier, but we put an acoustic board in there. I think it's like, why is there a massive gap? Hello, Luna. Oh, that's a face.
No, I was playing with Aiden and the girl took it off me.
Oh, scandalous. Sorry to hear that. But I'm glad that's done all the way down. It's not perfect. There's little bits and bobs, but it's done by us. So we'll give it a clean. Obviously, you can see where the wood join is there. That's the only thing. It's all right. Obviously, these loose bits out here will be covered by the acoustic board, so we're going to trim that back.
But Daddy,
And we can put the board on there.
we don't have any more carpet for the end bit.
No, because we're going to put a board on there.
The board?
I'll show you the downstairs. Shall we have a look? Right, let's go measure up and we'll go cut some.
Okay.
So here's the board that we've got. We're in for like a teak walnut colour. Obviously, we're going to use the full weight. I just need to cut it into sections, which I'm not looking forward to because I don't want to really mess this up. But we've got the saw ready and we'll give it a go. So let's go and measure the first bit and see how we get on.
So we've got the acoustic board in. It looks really good. We just need to figure out how to get the wrapper off because we tested it with the wrapper on, so it won't get damaged. So we're going to get the wrapper off and then get it screwed in and then work out the rest of the panels.
So the board is going in. It's not been as easy before because the bus isn't straight. No, it's the roof. They don't line up, but we've got them to start lining up. Because we're just applying some screws in, and we've obviously had to cut this to make it fit in the gap. But slowly but surely, it's getting there. Ball dance, Nicole. Come on. Up and down that ball.
Energy's right, 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 right.
I'm buzzing. Look at that. We've even got a door into the bedroom. Need to adjust the top, I know. We're allowing for the carpet. But it looks alright. Let me show you around. Let me in! Let me in! So there. Got it in here, all the way down.
Oh, sorry.
It's alright. Showing everyone around. Obviously we're going to hinge the door off there. This I think comes off, maybe not. Yeah, it comes off. £15 from IKEA bargain.
Where would you like me to put the door?
We'll lay it on the bed. So that's it. That's another day done, or 2 days done on the bus.
Yeah.
Now we are taking this bus to Van Life Festival in Shrewsbury. We'll be announcing it like tomorrow when this video goes live. So we're trying to get as much done as we can before then. It won't be on the road, so it's going to tow. Travis, who helps us do the tyres, with his haulage firm, is going to move it down there for us and bring it back. We have to get a movement order to move it, which is fine, but we'll move it and we'll take it down so you lot can come have a look around it. So you're off to Fan Life Festival, you can come have a look at it and we'll see where we're at with it. Hopefully a bit more on further than this.
Hopefully we might be able to
Sleep in it
and not bring the green bus.
No, we're taking the green bus as well.
Are we taking the green
We've
one?
got to take the green bus. We'll double them up, we're going to bring both.
Double it up then for
Bring
you
it
guys.
both.
You
So-
can see both.
On that note, we're off to the circus and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one.